Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, Basic 6A, AutoCAD Drafting Tips. This video illustrates A. Keyboard input versus icons, B. Function keys, and C. System variables. AutoCAD uses commands to create or modify objects and to control other actions performed in the program. Standard AutoCAD commands are categorized in the home ribbon panels as draw, modify, annotate, etc. A command may be started by selecting an icon in the ribbon or by entering an abbreviation on the keyboard. The line command is illustrated. Using the icon, select the command in the ribbon, create line, and draw the line on the monitor. Escape. For keyboard input, L, enter, escape. To restart the previous command, depress enter and draw another line. Escape. Even though a person may know precisely where the icon is located, many times it is a lot faster and easier to enter an abbreviation on the keyboard rather than to search for an icon. Many commands also contain additional options for the command. In such commands, a drop arrow is shown in the icon and in a cursor tooltip prompt when started with keyboard input. The circle command with tangent option is illustrated. For icon start, pick the drop arrow next to the icon. There are two tangent options available for the circle. Tan radius. As prompted, pick one line, pick another line, enter the radius for the circle, 100, enter. Use the other tangent option, tangent, pick a line, second line, and pick a third line. The circle is drawn as tangent to those three lines. For keyboard input, C, enter. To start the circle command, for the option, depress the down arrow on the keyboard. Only one tangent option is available for the circle. Pick one line, pick the other line, and enter the radius, 100. Enter. As illustrated, commands started with an icon may have more options than those started with keyboard input. In older versions of AutoCAD, a person had to memorize the correct abbreviation for a command, which made looking for an icon the normal preference. In newer versions, suggestions are prompted as you begin typing, which greatly reduces the memorization requirements. It is highly recommended that a person using AutoCAD commands, even one not that familiar with AutoCAD, type the abbreviation in lieu of looking for an icon. However, in Civil 3D, the names of the commands are not as straightforward as they are in standard AutoCAD. A person using Civil 3D, even very experienced ones, generally use the icons in lieu of keyboard input. At times, it may be desirable to determine the name of a command and use keyboard input rather than search for an icon. There are several function key references that are very helpful in the AutoCAD drafting process. When a function key is depressed, the corresponding command is shown in the command line at the bottom of the drawing area. F3 toggles the object snap on or off. When a command is in process and object snap is on, the cursor will snap to the desired location on an object. This is illustrated with the line command. L, enter. Pick a point on an object. F3 to turn object snap on. The end point is highlighted. Midpoint, intersection, the node, center of a circle, or the quadrant of a circle. The quadrant is dependent upon the orientation of the user coordinate system. A perpendicular will be illustrated. Pick a point, pick a line to be perpendicular to. Escape. O snap command, OS, enter. opens the Object Snap tab in the Drafting Settings dialog box, which allows selection of the various parts of an object used for the cursor snap. The Drafting Settings dialog box also contains settings for the snap and grid, polar tracking, 3D object snap, dynamic input, quick properties, and selection cycling. Close the dialog box. F8 toggles the ortho on and off. When on, objects are created or moved in a horizontal vertical direction. When off, objects can be moved in any direction. F7 toggles the display of the background grid on or off. On, off, on. The background grid currently has a snap setting of 20 and uses dots for the grid. The use of a background grid is common in architectural drawings, but rarely used in engineering drawings. F9 toggles snap to grid intervals on or off. Since this video is currently being created by Camtasia, which uses the F9 function key, the grid display icon in the status bar is used rather than depressing the F9 key. Snap off, snap on. At times, the cursor appears to jump as it is moved across the monitor, which indicates that F9 is probably on. This is illustrated by using the line command. L enter to start the line command, and you can see how the cursor jumps as it moves across the screen. Escape to stop the line command. Control 9 toggles the display of the command line at the bottom of the screen on or off. Yes to turn off. Since the display of the command history is hidden after a short period of time, in newer versions, the desirability to turn off the display has greatly diminished. Control 9 to turn the display back on. AutoCAD uses system variables that control the actions of commands. To open the System Variables dialog box, Express Tools tab, Tools panel, System Variables. The dialog box contains a list of all system variables used in AutoCAD. A description of the purpose of the system variable and action associated with each value are shown. The initial and current value for a variable are also shown, which can be modified by entering a new value. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.